Hello everyone. The daughter of the full president, Duduzile is unfazed by complaints against her of breaching the Electoral Commission of South Africa's Code of Conduct after she accused the African National Congress of vote rigging days away from Wednesday's elections. Duduzile published videos of voting material stored in Chesterville, KwaZulu-Natal and Hammarsdale, Mpumalanga, alleging the ANC was stealing votes at the weekend. The IEC clarified that the voting materials seen in the viral videos were at the Commission's storage sites in Chesterville and Hammarsdale for special votes on Monday. Duduzile Zuma took it to her ex-app and wrote, "The ANC of President Cyril Ramaphosa has already started stealing votes in KwaZulu-Natal. Stop lying, we are not fools. We are not your children. When you decided to be a political party, we told you we will treat you as such." Many people, including independent election analyst Michael Atkins, raised concerns about Duduzile being in breach of the Electoral Act, and the Act stipulates that no candidate should publish false information about other candidates or parties. She, however, was not concerned about the complaint. She wrote, "It's okay if I'm in breach. I'll rather be in breach than silent. If you are honest with yourself, the IEC is in breach of free and fair elections. No cases opened against me shall prosper. The IEC must account. I'm not scared of any of you or any threats." The IEC spokesperson Kate Papela said the Commission was contemplating taking action against Umkhonto weSizwe Party. He said, "We wish to clarify that the videos depict our planned logistical arrangements and storage of election materials as we prepare for the first day of special voting on May 27. These are legitimate and authorized arrangements for the distribution of ballot papers and other bulk material. The Commission is contemplating measures against the party and the individuals involved, as such obstruction to election activities should not be tolerated. This conduct violates the Code of Conduct and other electoral prescripts." People reacted on social media and one said, "No one has stolen votes. Stop casting doubts on the elections before they even take place. These ballot papers will be opened in plain view of all party agents. Party agents will also ensure ballot boxes are empty and then sealed." Another one said, "Nothing wrong here. These are the ballot papers that are being distributed nationwide, including KZN, in preparations for the election, starting with the special vote on Monday. Stop deliberately spreading misinformation." Another one said, "You are only inciting the violence that you and your family are about to bring to the people of this beautiful country, because you have now come to the realization that your party is not going to win the 2024 elections. Hill." Another one said, "But here you are raising a fact. Ballot papers should be transported under the proper security. Nobody should have access on ballot papers before voting day except for IEC and security." What is on these videos is scary for the fact that there's somebody whom able to take the video. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.